In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with just a meeting ID and passcode. Whether you're attending a virtual conference, a team meeting, or a one-on-one video call, knowing how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting quickly and efficiently can be a real time saver. So let's get started and make sure you can hop into that meeting room without any hassle. First of all, you'll need to make sure you're on the Microsoft Teams platform. To do that, you'll need to sign in. Locate the sign in option on the Microsoft Teams homepage. Be sure to use your correct login credentials so you don't run into any authentication issues. This step is necessary as it allows you to access all the features Teams has to offer, including joining meetings using a meeting ID and passcode. Once you're signed in, your next step is to navigate to the Meet section. The layout might vary slightly depending on the device you're using, so keep an eye out for the Meet button, typically found on the main dashboard. This section is your gateway to joining and scheduling meetings, so it's an essential part of using Teams effectively. After clicking on Meet, look for the option that says Join with a Meeting ID. This is an incredibly useful feature when you have a meeting ID and passcode handy, but aren't the meeting organizer. Clicking on this will open a dialog box or a new section where you can enter details. Now, this is where the meeting information comes into play. Make sure you have the meeting ID ready. Carefully type in the meeting ID in the designated field. It's important to enter the correct ID as a mistake may lead you to the wrong meeting or an error message. Double check for any typos before moving on. Following this, you'll need to enter the meeting passcode. The passcode acts like a key to enter the meeting room, providing an added layer of security. Just as with the meeting ID, make sure to type in the passcode accurately. Take a moment to review it to ensure everything is correct. Finally, with both the meeting ID and passcode entered, all that's left is to click Join Meeting. This action will connect you to the virtual meeting space. If everything is entered correctly, you'll be successfully admitted. In case you encounter any error messages, recheck the ID and passcode for any errors and try again. There you have it, you're now ready to join any Microsoft Teams meeting with just an ID and passcode. This method ensures you can join meetings quickly without needing additional information like links. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.